Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 403. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's go ahead and get started. First thing is you have to make sure whether your app is updated or not. That can sometimes cause the issue. You're going to open your app store or play store, type in Roblox and see whether it shows open or update in this blue circle, oval circle thingy here in this blue area. Go ahead, tap on the update option and you're good to go if it needs. Next thing is obviously again checking your internet connection, because if it's not good, then of course it's gonna shut down. It's gonna have even login and even game issues. Go ahead, connect it to another network if you prefer, and then you're gonna go ahead open up your app. Once you have opened up, go ahead, go to the signing section, and if you're not adding your information correct, then it can also cause you an issue. Make sure to remember your password and login information correctly, provide the information, and you shall be able to use your Roblox. Next thing, if that also doesn't help, you can simply choose to remove the app or uninstall the app from your device, and can reinstall and can start by adding information, signing in, and using the app itself. That should help you out. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.